How cool is that? And we're gonna put this charcoal brick in there right there on top. Can you believe this? What if I put a frying pan on this grill? Maybe we can fry an egg in that whopper of a frying pan. What do you think? Look at there, 491 degrees on the charcoal briquette. I'm gonna see if this frying pan is hot enough to fry an egg. Now this is right out of the refrigerator, so I'm sure it's gonna cool it down a little bit, but. Okay, let's see what happens. But I can tell you right now, I don't like liquid chicken. Man, that is just about the perfect size for like an egg McMuffin or an egg biscuit.